Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you one of the best bacon and egg cheese sandwich. Okay, and here's the ingredients. I'm making two today. You're going to need two American cheese. I got some red pepper flakes, and I have some granulated onion, 4 eggs, they already been busted open, and I have like 7 pieces of bacon right here with black pepper on it. You need some HELLMAN'S for mine. You don't have to have it, but this is what I'm putting on mine. And you're gonna need like 4 slices of bread. Okay, so let's jump into it. Put this in the oven. This bacon at 400 degrees till it gets nice and crispy. And with these eggs, I'm going to take a little of this pepper flake. Just a little bit, not a lot. Take a little of this onion powder, or granulated onion. Now I'm not going to put no salt in this because the bacon already have salt. Alright, so we're just going to whip this up. You're going to whip this up for probably about 2 or 3 minutes or whatever. Alright? So you get it well incorporated. You're going to need also some butter and some olive oil. I have a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet. And you're going to need like a teaspoon of butter. I'm going to keep on doing this, and I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my little tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to add a teaspoon of this butter in there, just to give it some flavor. And that's it. See if I can melt that down a little bit, come off this spoon. Alright, so get me a spatula. I think it's in this drawer over here. Move this out the way because it's in my way. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so I got one of these. That's what I normally use. Mix this up a little bit more. I'm just going to pour that in there. Get all these pepper flakes out of there, if I can. Actually, I'm playing too much with it. Just take this. Now, alright, we're just going to let this cook for about 2-3 minutes. I'll show you what we'll be doing in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. That's all you're doing. Just moving the eggs around or whatever. So that's ready to be flipped. Just like that. You can turn this off now. I can go ahead and chop this in half. Sometimes the thing I want to help me slide. Okay guys, sorry about that, the camera died on me. Just going to take the egg, put those up out of there. And with the same oil, I'm going to turn it back up. And I'm going to toast my bun. Turn it up a little bit. So scoop all this, so you can take a paper towel or whatever and get all the rest of this little egg debris and stuff out of there. Alright, I'm just going to throw that in there. I'm only going to be able to do 2 at a time. Alright, we're just going to let that brown up and wait till the bacon get done, and show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All I did here is put some mayonnaise on this, and I put some bacon on here. My daughter wanted hers extra crispy, so I made hers extra crispy. So that's how she wants hers. I don't eat mine like that, but it is what it is. Anyway, I put the cheese on the bottom. I didn't put no mayo down there, and I put the egg on top of that, and we just close it up just like so. Just like that. Give it a good smash. Just like that. And there you have it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that's it right there, guys. Let's see if I can zoom up a little bit for you. The lighting sucks in here. So anyway, that's it. The best bacon and egg and cheese sandwich from my home to yours. Guys, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. And of course, hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. See you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. And thank you for watching. In a minute.